Hi, I'm Luke Lango, America's #1 stock picker. And this is Investor Place Quick Picks, where we communicate to you some of the market's best investment ideas in just 10 minutes.
America's #1 stock picker, Luke Lango's Investor Place Quick Picks.
So, as many of you know, I'm an investment analyst, not a trading analyst. And as an investment analyst, I'm not looking for stocks to buy today and sell tomorrow for a quick profit. Rather, I'm looking for stocks to buy today and sell in 5 or 10 years for 100%, 200%, 300%, even 1,000% or bigger profits. It's a long-term investment strategy that is built to generate long-term wealth. And with that in mind, one of my favorite stocks to buy today is sFIX, ticker sFIX. sFIX operates a data-driven online retail personalization platform that represents the future of how we shop for clothes. It's a niche product today, used mostly by high-income single females. Yet by 2030, it will be ubiquitously adopted by anyone and everyone who shops for clothes on a regular or even semi-regular basis. Of course, as sFIX goes from niche to ubiquitous over the next decade, the company's subscriber base, revenues, and profits will all soar. As go profits, so go stocks. You guys have heard me say that a million times before. sFIX stock will not be an exception to that trend. And that's why the multi-year outlook for this stock is so compelling. Here's a deeper look. Now, sFIX has a unique and compelling opportunity to fundamentally change the way we shop, from shopping haphazardly in-store for clothes on an irregular basis to shopping smartly online on a regular basis. This disruptive potential boils down to 3 huge value additive features of the sFIX business model. First, sFIX is online. This one is obvious. Most apparel shopping happens offline, but a lot of that shopping has been shifting online for the past several years. This trend will persist because online shopping offers significant convenience advantages over offline shopping. And to the customer, when shopping, convenience is king. As such, sFIX makes shopping faster and more convenient through digitization. Second, sFIX is personalized. This is the big one. You see, consumers love smartly personalized experiences. sFIX leverages shopper and fashion trend data, puts all that data into advanced data science models, and creates smartly personalized shopping experiences for you, built on curated apparel assortments that are unique to each individual user. In so doing, sFIX is essentially morphing into everyone's personal stylist, their personal e-stylist, if you will. And that should improve shopping outcomes for everyone. No matter who you are, as long as you like to buy clothes, if you get a personal stylist online, that should improve the types of clothes you buy and how much you like them, how much you wear them, how much value you see from them. So to that extent, sFIX makes shopping better and smarter through unique and proprietary personalization. Now third, and this is also very important, sFIX is mostly a subscription business. As much as consumers love smartly personalized experiences, they equally love subscription business models for their consistency and convenience. sFIX turns shopping, which is normally this haphazard thing, maybe I'll go next week, maybe I'll go the week after, maybe I'll go next month, totally haphazard, it turns that process into a subscription business model through monthly clothing boxes. As such, sFIX makes shopping more consistent and easier through subscriptions. It really doesn't take a rocket scientist to connect the dots, guys. Through its unique, hyper-personalized e-commerce platform built on the back of subscriptions, sFIX is making shopping faster, more convenient, better, smarter, more consistent, and easier. sFIX is simply improving the shopping experience from end to end. And that's why this company has a compelling opportunity to turn into the future of apparel shopping. Now, all those value props I just talked about, sFIX's multifaceted value props, they were pretty much all lost in the COVID-19 shuffle. But as consumers have learned to better adjust to life with the pandemic, and indeed things have started to reopen and consumer spending is starting to pick back up, sFIX is starting to shine. In the first quarter of fiscal 2021, which roughly lines up with the third quarter of calendar 2020 for the company, sFIX added 240,000 new clients. That's a record high number, and it's more than double what the platform added in the previous quarter, which was just 100,000. More than that, these new clients were hyper engaged with sFIX. Nearly 80% of first fixes in the quarter were considered successful by the company's definition, which means the client purchased at least one item in their first fix and said they look forward to their second fix. 80%, record high number for that. Now, sFIX's success rate in the quarter, another company-defined metric, which is the percentage of time a given item is purchased by clients, so its purchase rate basically, also hit record highs last quarter. So you have record high net adds, you have record high everything. So why all these record high engagement metrics? Well, there's a few reasons playing out here. sFIX is getting bigger, which means they're getting more data, which means they have smarter data science models and an enhanced style graph to better recommend clothes and apparel to customers. That's a big, big advantage. Now, this personalization engine is only going to get stronger as the company does get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Now, at the same time, the company is also fleshing out new features like direct buy and shop by category to make sFIX more shoppable and increase buying convergence. These drivers are secular in nature. They will persist for the foreseeable future. As they do, sFIX's newfound business momentum, these record high rates you saw last quarter, that's going to become the norm. And as it becomes the norm, sFIX stock is just going to keep on going higher. Now, taking a step back, sFIX is an innovative online apparel company with a unique personalization engine built on sustainable data advantages and a subscription business model that makes shopping easier, and a ton of business momentum right now. So put that all together, and it means sFIX today has healthy visibility to disrupting the near $2 trillion global apparel market over the next few years. Yet sFIX is worth just $8.5 billion today. 2 trillion, 8.5 billion. That huge delta is why the big rally in sFIX stock is far from over. Instead, it's just beginning. Long term, this is a potential 20, 30, maybe even 40 or 50 billion dollar business, meaning the long-term upside here is 2x, 3x, maybe even 4x. Well, that's all we have for this edition of Investor Place Quick Picks. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, smash the like button, or if you like to read, come over and visit us at investorplace.com, where we have some of the market's best analysis. Oh, and in case I forget, also follow me on Twitter. I am very active on Twitter. I love to take people's comments, feedback, and reply to them with my own. So please give me a follow on Twitter. Great place to have communication with me. In any event, I hope everybody has a great weekend. Cheers to all, and happy investing.